In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export transparent videos in CapCut PC. If you've ever wanted to place graphics, text, or animations on top of another video without a solid background getting in the way, exporting with transparency is exactly what you need. This is especially useful for things like lower thirds, logos, or animated overlays that you'll use later in other editing software or presentations. First, open CapCut on your computer and load the project that you want to export. Make sure your composition is ready to go on the timeline. For a transparent video, it's important that anything you want to be see-through does not have a solid background layer behind it. For example, if you're working with text, stickers, or imported graphics, place them on the timeline with no background image or video beneath them where you want transparency to appear. Take a moment to preview your project by pressing play. Anywhere you see the default CapCut background color, that area will become transparent later, as long as we export correctly. If you've accidentally added a background image or color, remove it so that those areas can stay empty. Once your project looks good, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Export button. This will open the Export Settings window. Here, you can choose the file name and where you want to save the video on your computer. Pick a folder that you can easily find later, because you'll probably want to import this transparent video into another project or software. Now, focus on the format and codec options. To keep transparency, you need a format that supports an alpha channel, which is what stores transparency information. In CapCut PC, choose a video format and codec that explicitly mentions alpha or transparency support. Commonly, this might be a higher quality codec that is designed for compositing work. Avoid basic formats that are primarily for standard playback because they usually remove transparency and fill it with a solid color. Next, set your resolution and frame rate to match your original project settings or the project you plan to use this overlay in. Keeping these consistent will help avoid issues like scaling or timing mismatches later. Also, choose a high-quality bitrate to preserve clean edges around your transparent elements, especially for text and logos. Before you export, double-check that any background track you don't want is muted, and that your timeline only contains the elements you actually want in the final transparent video. When everything looks correct, click Export and wait for the process to finish. Once the export is complete, open the new video in your editing software of choice and place it above another clip. You should see that all the areas that were empty in CapCut are now fully transparent, allowing your design to blend seamlessly over any background.